It's your boy Grant, back again with another unboxing. And today I will be unboxing the Towel Mate, the newer version, also known as Towel Mate 2020, and Towel, the stickers. So let's get into it. Alright, first I'm going to open up the Towel stickers. So telling you to download the Towel app, which I have on both of my devices already, so I don't really have to do that. Follow in-app instructions and then attach to your things. So the Towel stickers, I'm probably going to attach to my remotes because I stay, especially my Apple remote. It's over there. I stay losing it, and it's in my room, and I always lose it. So you get a few, I guess these are either the initial sticker that you put on the device or additional stickers so that you can swap it out whenever you want to. You get the standard papers with the warranty usage and I guess the warranty usage and safety regulations. Now, in this part is a little envelope-like thing. Welcome to the world's largest lost and found community, which it is because there's actually a community on the Towel app. A lot of people don't know that. There's actually a community on the Towel app, and if you lose a device, if someone else in the area has the Towel app, they would be able to find your device for you and let you know where that device is. So it's really amazing. All right. So when you open up the envelope, though, there goes the Towel stickers. Let's see if I can get them out. So yes, they come pre-applied with stickers already on them. So those must be the extra stickers for if you want to swap out devices or something like that. So, like I said, I am going to put this on my Apple remote. So I have my Apple remote here, and now I'm about to put it on here. Alright, so I got it on the Apple remote. I put it on the back here. Now I'm going to get my phone and pair the Towel sticker to the app. So I have the Apple remote here. I got the Towel sticker on it, and I'm about to pair it to the app. No, that's not the app. Okay, so I got the app up. Press the plus sign up here. Activate a towel. And then it says, which towel device would you like to activate towel on? It's a sticker, so I select sticker. Click the towel button once to begin activation. It will play a nice tune afterwards. Tap next to continue. So you press it once, and there goes that tune. Click next, and I was looking for the sticker. It says it'll take up to 10 seconds. And it's been longer than 10 seconds, so. Well, maybe it hasn't been longer than 10 seconds. I'm probably over exaggerating, but now it's been longer than 10 seconds. Oh, as we next to the phone. I'm tripping. Okay, here we go. There we go. Now it's activating.
It has sticker from the Tile skill, and you can track it by saying, find sticker.
Oh, you see this? It automatically hooked up to my my Amazon account, so I can use Alexa to find it. Alexa, find sticker.
To locate sticker, you'll need to turn on Find My in the Alexa app. I've sent some information to your phone to help you get started.
Well, it sent it to the phone that I'm using to film, so I'll set it up after this. And then I'll demonstrate it to you. So yeah, and then that's it. What will you use your towel for? It's on. What I'm using it for is not even on here. So I'll just select other. Apple remote. Let's see it. Try finding it. There you go. It's working. Got it. Try finding your phone. Double press it. Come on. There you go. I can find my phone with the towel sticker. That is amazing. Oh man. Okay. Takes 24 hours to fully bond. The sticker adhesive needs to be used on a clean, dry, flat surface. Press and hold for 30 seconds. The adhesive takes 24 hours to fully bond. Okay. So no premium. There we go. And there you go, Apple remote. Now never lose my Apple remote again. Got a towel sticker on it. So for my second towel sticker, I'll just leave it in the packaging for now because I really don't have anything else I can put it on. I mean, I can probably put it on my Switch, but the thing is, my Switch stays docked up all the time. Or I really don't know what else I can put it on right now because nothing else I really need to put it on because my PlayStation controllers, I keep it in those in the same place all the time. My hard drives, keep those in the same place all the time. But eventually I probably will put a sticker on my hard drives because I'm probably going to start using my hard drives when I leave the house. Because right now, because it's COVID, my hard drives stay here with me on my desk. So, yeah. Next, I'm going to unbox the TowelMate. Now, this I'm going to use on my keys, which is actually lost at the moment. So, I technically got it at the right time, but at the same time, got it at the wrong time because I have no idea where my keys are because my god kids were over here and they like to play with my keys. And as you can see, my keys are nowhere to be found. So I'll have to look for my keys after this video. And yeah. So in the pocket where the paperwork was in the last one, it's just the same paperwork with the warranty and the safety regulations. Got the information on download the app and the following instructions on the app and attach it to the device, blah, 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 blah. Welcome to the world's largest lost and found community. And when you open it up, it's the TowelMate. Now, the cool thing about the TowelMate 2020 is that unlike previous TowelMates, this actually has a changeable battery. In the old ones, once the battery died in it, I think you had to send it back to Towel to have them replace the battery. This one, you can replace the battery yourself. You either contact Towel directly and they'll send you a new battery, or you just buy the battery yourself and replace the battery. Only thing is, I'm trying to open up the battery, the back. Oh, it's open. It was open this whole time. So, as you can see, it has a replaceable battery in it. And it takes a CR1632, which is pretty easy to find. And it comes with a Panasonic battery installed, which means this will probably last a while. So now, I'm going to pair this to the Towel app. Same way I did with the Towel sticker. Press the plus button, activate a Towel, TowelMate, press the button. So I got everything paired up, and let's test it out and see how it works. I'm just going to use my Echo Dot and use it to find stuff instead of going through the phones and doing it because you already seen how that works. So find keys.
Keys was last seen 11 minutes ago. It's United States. Should I ring Keys?
Yes.
Let me try to ring your Keys. Make sure the Tile app is running on your phone.
As you can see, it's ringing the TowelMate. All right. All you gotta do is just press the button, and it stops it. Find Apple remote.
Apple remote was last seen just now at United States. Should I ring Apple remote?
Yes.
Let me try to ring your Apple remote. Make sure the Tile app is running on your phone.
And there it goes. It's ringing my Apple remote. So now this one's gonna be a stretch. I don't know if it'll actually do it, but it's hooked up to the Tile app also. So let's see if it'll do it. Find Galaxy A11.
Galaxy A11 was last seen at 10:57 p.m. at United States. Should I ring Galaxy A11?
Yes.
Let me try to ring your Galaxy A11. Make sure the Tile app is running on your phone.
And there you go. As you can see, Tile works. It works. It even works reverse. You can hit find on whichever device you have to find one of the actual Tile devices, or you can hit the button on the Tile device to find your phone. And as you can see, you can even use, if you have Alexa, you can use Alexa. So it works. But with that, it has been another video. This is your boy Grant. Peace. Now let me go find these keys at the kids' lost. So the video actually is not over. I forgot I got announced the giveaway winner. So there was a lot of confusion when it came to the giveaway. A lot of people thought I was giving away the Blue Yeti mic, but actually wasn't. I was giving away a pair of SteelSeries Arctis Ones. But since a lot of people would like to have the Blue Yeti mic, I will be running another giveaway just for the Blue Yeti mic, just for you guys, since a lot of people thought that I was giving away the Blue Yeti mic. So if you want to enter to win the Blue Yeti mic, just comment below, like, and make sure that you're subscribed. But let's announce the winner for the SteelSeries Arctis Ones. The winner for the SteelSeries Arctis Ones is Unaverage Joe. Now, for those of you who think it wasn't legit, I'm going to post a picture of when I picked it. I used the actual comment picker to pick the winner, but here goes the picture right here, so y'all can see that it's legit. So, Unaverage Joe, you are the winner. Make sure to email me or send me a message on YouTube with your address, and I will send you the SteelSeries Arctis Ones. But with that, now the video is over. Peace.